The FDA issuing an emergency authorization for the monkeypox vaccine. Now doctors can give 1/5 of that vaccine in a shot under the skin. And normally the vaccine goes in the back fleshy part of the upper arm. Doctors say this is enough to still protect you and allow more people to get vaccinated. So far, only 1 million monkeypox vaccines have been distributed across the country.
Well, the manufacturer of the only FDA-approved monkeypox vaccine is pushing back on the agency's plans to split doses in order to get more shots out of each vial. Bavarian Nordic says that there is limited safety data available. The Biden administration says that these concerns do not impact vaccine strategy. It's vaccine strategy. So Dr. David Agus is joining us now to talk a little bit more about this and answer some of your questions about monkeypox and COVID-19, and for that matter, polio as well. So I had the same question. You know, halving a dose is one thing, but 1/5 of a dose? What's your take on the FDA's recommendation?
So what they're doing is 1/5 of a single dose vial. So 5 people will get what one person had gotten before, but instead of injecting under the skin like they classically do, it would be into the skin, what we call intradermal. And there's evidence from a study, actually Bavarian Nordic was part of the study, showing that there was an increased immune response when you did that. I do think it's the right decision to do it, but I think they also should have mandated that they collect data afterwards to know if it worked and potentially to improve if it wasn't as good. We have no choice but to do this, unfortunately, because in the near term, we're not going to have more vaccines. And this is a way to give immunity to everybody who needs it in the country if it's done right.
Okay, so this person, doctor, is asking if there are any notable side effects of the monkeypox vaccine.
No, I mean, it's a remarkably well-tolerated vaccine with obviously pain at the injection site, a little bit of fever afterwards. The classic things we see with vaccines, certainly not severe side effects or serious side effects seen at the present time, although only a limited number of people to date have been injected with this vaccine.